Want to know how to help Dola AI start up a new topic? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we can just simply open up your Dola AI website. So once you have opened it up, first things first, simply open up your Dola AI application on your phone. So we have also created a video on how to install Dola AI on your phone, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, here on the bottom right side you should be seeing your profile if you're on your Android or iPhone. Just simply click that. So now once you click the profile, on the top right side you should be seeing this gear icon. This is the setting, so you can just simply select that. Now since we want to start a topic, we need to search for a start new topic. For us, it's right here. If you don't find it, you can just simply scroll down until you do. Now just simply select start new topic right here. And now once you selected that, your new topic should be started and your AI should understand that. And that's it. Now once you start a new chat, it should begin with a new topic. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.